Thanks for joining and welcome to Art Scout. I'm Uni. Today we are going to make a family name sign for your door. We are going to make it with simple materials which you can find easily. You need cardboard, colored paper, glue and scissors, ruler and pencil, magazines, newspapers, markers, crayons. One of some scotch tape, strong magnets, or strings and paper clips to hang the sign up. I'm using some cardboard for the sign. Mine is 10 by 5 inches, but yours can be smaller or bigger. If your family name is long, probably you need a long, wide one. Please make the paper the same size as your cardboard and paste it on the cardboard with glue. I'll make 3 styles of name signs. You can choose one of them. My frame width is 1 inch on each side. You can make a frame for only the top and bottom parts. Or just the left and right size. That can be easier and also be stylish. If you want to make a full-size frame, you need to be careful to match each side well. Or you can make one full frame with the same size as the name board. Please glue the frame on the sign. You need to decide which style of letters you want to put on the name board. Here are 3 options you can choose. Number 1, handwriting with markers or crayons. I highly recommend writing down your name on a piece of paper to practice. This method can be the simplest way. Number 2, typing with a word processing program on your computer, printing and cutting out the letters with your scissors. This way is also simple and easy, and you can also choose your favorite font, but you need a printer to do this. Oops, my letters are pretty short. I will cut the end. We don't need to be perfect, just have fun. Number 3, letter collage. You can find the letters you need at home from magazines or newspapers. Cut them out and paste them on the board. This way is also not hard and it can be fun and stylish. This is personalized family name sign for the door. You can decorate it with markers, crayons, or some other materials. Now it's time to hang this up on your door. You can use some scotch tape, strong magnets, or some string to hang it up. You'd better not use scotch tape if your door can be peeled off. Ta-da! I hope you have a fun time making your family name signs. If you really like it, you can try to make signs for your rooms too. Please share your awesome work with everyone. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.